Welcome to the next episode of our Mastering Pure Variance tutorial. Today you will see how to create a clone of your current model. For this video we will use one of the built-in examples available in Pure Variance. Cloning in Pure Variance is the process of creating an exact copy of an existing variant model, so the VDM. This is useful when you need to make changes to a configuration without affecting the original model. So cloning allows you to experiment and modify configurations independently. Let's see how to create a clone on the already available VDM. So first we find the VDM that we want to clone. Let's take the first one from the top as an example. And we click the clone option. In here we can change the name of the variant model that we are cloning if we want to. And after clicking finish, we see that we have the clone available in here. So creating a clone is basically creating a copy of the VDM that you already have, so that when you work on the clone, nothing else will be affected. It might be useful in many scenarios, but is used more frequently to create a new model rather than setting up a new variant. Check that it's the same as the VDM that we cloned. It's important to understand that while cloning is useful for creating independent copies, inheritance is crucial for maintaining consistency across related configurations. So inheritance allows a new configuration to inherit features and settings from an existing base configuration. This means that any changes made to the base configuration can propagate to the inherited configuration. So let's see how to do it. To the new and click variant model. Let's name it, go further, and let's choose the same baseline as we've chosen for the cloning example. Now we see that we have our Ankara model in inherited models. We leave the rest of the options as they are and click finish. And now we have our inherited VDM, which at this moment is the same as our original VDM, so the baseline. The difference between the inheritance and cloning can be seen in the feature tree, where the feature selection is locked. However, if the element is changed in the original VDM, the inherited value will also change. So in here we see these lock icons that are based on the original VDM. If we turn it off, we see that the inherited value is also changed. So that makes it safer to work with huge sets of variants if most of them are based on some kind of baseline. As you can see, the concepts of cloning and inheriting are easy to understand within Pure Variance architecture. And that will be all for now, so until the next video.